In this video, I will show you a few steps how to build a house like this. Yes, a few step-by-steps. Alright, so this is concrete wall in the process of building. So this is our mason laying some blocks. Yeah, that's Mark. Mark don't play. Lay blocks every day. Alright, so yeah, this is the building blocks. And then, remember, the mortar, the cement, the sand and water mix to make a paste. And mortar to lay the blocks. So, he's stringing his line, catching his level, pulling off his tricks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So, in a short while you will see him putting the mortar on the blocks that lay ready. So, I'm trying to make this video educational so you can learn something. So, if you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. If you want to see more of these videos, you subscribe. Alright, yeah, so he's taking there, put in there on both sides. Yeah, so this is the process of laying building blocks. Laying bricks is the same process, but maybe have a little different techniques. Alright, so get this block. You have a cord line, so you try to catch his level and close more the cord line. Alright, there's steel. I will do a video about the steel in the next, tell you about the steel in the next video. Alright. So you just put in the block over and down. We're just concentrating on the laying of the blocks now. Tell you about the steel work in the next video. So laying blocks, you have to use a shovel, your cord line, your level line, and there's a level over there, that orange thing, that's the level. And the skill from your head, that's the main ingredients. You have the cord line, the shovel, and the level, and everything, and you don't have any skill in it, you cannot get the job done. What you say about that, Mr. Mark?
Perfect. It's perfectly fit.
Skill in your head.
Still have to be there. So the foolishness.
So this is the laying of building blocks. Give you a close up. So you mix it up, put it over there, mix it up, put it over there, mix it up, put it right there, mix it up, put it right there. Very easy, but there's a art to it.
Yeah.
When you try the first time, you might don't get it that easy, but you catch along, catch it as you go along.
Yeah.
Patient. How long have you been doing this work, sir?
27 years.
You hear that? He's doing it his whole lifetime.
Yeah.
When he was a kid.
Yeah.
I mean, he loved it.
Love it. I get nice every day. Every day.
And the thing with laying blocks, you have to tie them. Or you call it stagger them. So you don't put blocks on blocks. Just share it. So with building blocks there is steel, but the steel would have to be a next video explain how the steel layout, what's the purpose of the steel. But without the steel there is no building. The building will fall apart. Yeah, so this is Jamaica. This is our building. We build in Jamaica. Different coding from America and from Canada. I think they say Jamaica have a building standard of a Germany building standard. I don't never go to Germany, so I don't know what their building is like, but they say Jamaica have a high building standard in terms of the strength of the building and how the work is done. But I don't have any facts on that. I'm just talking what I hear. So if you guys know anything about it, leave a comment. If I'm right, let me know. If I'm wrong, let me know. Building blocks. Alright, so we just finished that row. Yeah, so this is Spanish Town, Jamaica, yeah. To be more specific. So I do videos from around the world, but just 3 countries. I do videos in Jamaica, America and Canada. That's the 3 countries I travel. Alright, I think this is good enough. So it's fulling, he's tying the blocks together, fulling where each block join to get the wall stronger, and then after the wall reach a certain height, they fill the bucket, mixing sand, cement and gravel to fill the block buckets to make the wall strong and sturdy. Yeah, so this is all about laying blocks and mixing mortar to lay blocks. So in the next video, I'll tell you about the mixture to fill the black pockets. Did what I say make any sense, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
That's how it goes. Do it any lesser than that,
Wall will not complete. Alright, construction site in the Caribbean. To build a house, you need gravel. Alright, this is gravel, like a load of gravel. We use some from it. It's not really a full load. And then the next ingredient is sand. So wherever you find gravel, sand. So gravel and sand is the material used to mix with cement to make mortar. Well, for the decking and coursing, you use sand and gravel with cement. Further, I want to show you what the cement we use look like. So this is sand. People call it wash sand. Sometimes it's river sand. And sometimes it's processed sand. So gravel, sand. What do we call this now? Mortar. Alright. This is the process of mixing the cement back there. Mixing. I just spin the bag. One bag of cement in there. Spin the compound. Yeah? Yeah, my bag, I'm going to get the top of the bag right here. Alright, this is cement. This kind of cement made in Jamaica. So this video we're doing now is taking place in Jamaica. Yes, so this is carb cement that we used to do concrete, casting and decking. Alright, so sand, cement and gravel work together to do casting and decking. Here we have sand and cement. There is no gravel in this one. This is the process they used to lay blocks or set block, building blocks, yeah, concrete blocks. So this is sand and cement mixed with water to get a mortar stuff like this. Used to lay the building blocks. Yes, so that's cement, sand and water used to make a mix to give you water and stuff like this to lay building blocks. These are building blocks, yes. So this is what one block look like. So this block is 16 inches long, 8 inches high by 6 inches this way. So it's 16 the longest length, the height 8 inches and the width 6 inches. So these are building blocks. They used to build a house, garages. Yes, so these are building blocks. Right.